Got a little trail grooming pro tip for you. We're about to go up this massive hill here. I think it's close to 20% grade. And I got a lot of snow piled up on this drag, which puts a lot of weight on the front. Fine, it's in a hard trail, but it's too much weight to pull up that big hill, even for this machine. It's important to know the limits of your machines and the limits of your own abilities. The only way to find it is to get stuck, get unstuck, give her another go. So I'm gonna shovel this off and then we'll head up that big hill. Got another big hill here. This one's probably just as steep, but it's a little bit longer. And we got more snow piled up on the drag. Shovel that off. Made it up that last hill, no problem. Always carry a shovel with you when you're out grooming. That's another pro tip. Alright, here we go. Another pro grooming tip is to carry pruners. As your trail gets packed down, the branches that you walked under in the summertime are now at eye level, so you gotta trim them down. Though most of that work is done in the summer, I spend about 30 hours just making sure the trail is passable with the equipment. ATV, side-by-side, four-wheeler, whatever you got. Run your dog team through. So you need to do some pruning there too. So carry a pair of pruners with you and make the trail very nice all winter long. Another pro tip I got for you is to come back and groom the opposite way that you normally do and try to push the trail just a little bit wider. What that does is it gives a firm edge, and it gives you a marker for the next time you get deep snow. You have firm trail underneath you. Also, what it does for the dogs too is it's a safety net. If one dog steps off the trail, he's not going to fall down and possibly get injured. So it's good to go the opposite way. Also, obviously packs it down more. I like to drive on the left side of the trail both times so that I can see the left side. I'm on the left side of the vehicle easier than I can see the right side, so I can push over that much more. The last pro tip I got for you today is to do all your difficult grooming first. The trails that are hillier, trail breaking, pruning, do all that stuff first, because the last thing you want to do after 6, 7 hours, 8 hours of grooming is the hard stuff. You want to save the easy stuff for last. This session was only 11 miles, but I went and broke open the trail, did some pruning, and let's see how many hours. Yeah, 2.1 hours, so about 1/3, maybe 1/4 of the way done for the stuff that I need to do just today. You do this 2-3 times a week, your trails will be pretty sweet.